Yes, up there at Capricorn, it is tropical. Now, we were talking at the beginning of the show, David, about the right environments for concentrating, for working.
Yes.
And I guess when people are doing cryptic crosswords, some people like to have absolute silence to concentrate. But over the last few nights, you've given us the recipes to how to crack those clues. Number 4 tonight.
Number 4 is the double meaning. Now, this may be the sort of most familiar to people who have not tried cryptic crosswords before, because essentially it's 2 servings of synonyms. And they're often the shortest clues too, so it's easier to recognise the recipe. So that's a good tip. And the other tip is that really consider them as being 2 roads that lead to the same destination. So an example might be, in fact, we just had the word stadium. You could say that bear stadium, B-E-A-R stadium, the answer is stand, because to bear something is to stand it, and a stadium is a stand. And one of my favourites from an English compiler was powdered bottom, which makes me think of a change table, but the answer is ground, because if coffee is ground, it is powdered, and the bottom of something is the ground of something. All right, now, are you ready for your first double meaning serving?
I'm trying to get the hang of this now. I understand the principle, but yes, give me a go.
The clue, 5-letter word, is fruit crate.
Fruit crate. So I'm assuming that perhaps the answer is a fruit.
Yes, it is.
And so we need to find a synonym for crate, which sounds, it's like a box, or it's something that's perhaps a bit rubbishy somehow.
Yes. Keep going with the rubbishy. A
Hang
car
on.
is a crate. A car is a...
Is a lemon.
Is a lemon. Beautiful work. And, ladies and gentlemen.
But I can see where you're going with that now, yes.
It also highlights the deceit of a cryptic crossword, because fruit crate makes you think of a wooden box, when in fact it's just 2 servings of synonyms.
We're getting the hang of it now,
We are.
David. These are very useful bits of advice. Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Let's have a look at the scores. They are equal, 21 each for Trevor and Geraldine, and more letters. Geraldine.
A consonant, please, Lily. Thank you. L. And another. S. And another. T. A vowel. E. Another. A. One more. I. A consonant, please. C. Another consonant. N. And a vowel, please. And lastly, E.
Time to think. How did you like that mix, Geraldine?
I had a 7.
7 is very good indeed. Trevor?
And I got a 7 as well.
Let's have yours first.
Cleanse.
And yours?
Silence.
Both good 7s?
Good work. Both good 7s. We can't split these 2 here, Richard.
But what did you manage to find in this lot?
I saw cleanest, but then I thought there was a full Monty here, so I mixed cleanest with I and did find a 9-letter word.
A full Monty?
I did.
Excellent. Excellent work. So what is it?
The word is latencies, L-A-T-E-N-C-I-E-S, and latency in its 3rd definition is a computing term. It is a delay encountered when waiting for a specific response in a computer, and latency's there for 9.
So that plural is a lovely full Monty. Well done. Well found, David. Trevor and Geraldine, equal again, 7 points. Well, can we split the scores with these next letters? Let's see. Trevor.
Lily, can I have a consonant, please?
Thank you. R.
Another consonant.
D.
And again.
F.
And again.
N.
A vowel.
O.
Another vowel.
E.
And again.
U.
Consonant.
C.
And another consonant, please.
And last letter, T.
And here's the clock.
I got 8.
That sounds great. Geraldine?
8-2.
That sounds very convincing. Let's start with yours.
Trounced.
Trounced and Trevor?
And trounced.
Well, you see, the thing is, neither of them did. They both did the same thing, and once again,
I know.
absolutely level pegging.
Total parity. Great game. Yes, in fact, there's a couple of 8s here because confuted is another 8. That is to disprove or disproved, and confuter is also listed here as another 8.
Wow, 8 rich, very nicely found, and well done to Trevor and Geraldine, 8 each. Well, the previous numbers game was very easy indeed, but if these numbers are tougher, it could cause that split. Let's see. Geraldine, what would you like?
I think I'll revert to the family mix, please.
Thanks, Geraldine. That's 2 large and 4 small. And starting with the smalls, 8, 2, 1, 1, and the 2 large, 150. The target to reach is 902.
Time starts now. Well, Geraldine, can I assume that you're on 902?
Yes, Richard.
You too, Trevor?
Yes, too, Richard.
Okay. Tell us how you did it, Geraldine.
So 8 plus 1 is 9,
8 plus 1 is 9.
times 100 gives you 900,
By 100 is 900.
plus the 2.
Add the 2, 902.
Well, we would like to give you a challenge. We haven't really managed this time, but Trevor, did you do it the same
Mine
way?
was exactly the same.
Exactly the same way. Just go through the formalities, if you would, please, and verify that, well, once again, what's going on with this random number generation? I mean...
I really don't know. This is making me really angry.
Ooh.
But what I did was I tried to do a kitchen sink with this to give myself an added challenge. And I got there, so this is how I solved it.
Okay.
Well, my second solution, really. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 by 100 plus 50 is 900. Add the 2 ones, gives you 902.
Very nice kitchen sink. Well done, Lily. So, 10 points each for that not-so-challenging puzzle for Trevor and Geraldine. That means they are on 46 all. Still dead equal as we head for our next break. Another word mix, gain mica. And this time the clue, adept in illusion. See you after the break.